So hello everyone, in this video we'll be learning how to install the Arduino IDE. So first we'll go to the link that I have sent you in the messenger group, then we click on download, then we'll go to the downloads and click on the Arduino IDE. So now we'll wait for a little of time until we have the Arduino IDE set up. So when it appears, we will go to I agree, then next, then install. This may take a little bit of time. We will be waiting until the software is downloaded. Okay, so when it finishes downloading, we will go and click on the finish button, and it will uh, start the Arduino IDE. And yeah, it will start working. So thank you everyone and goodbye.